Are you looking for that easy but very delicious puff puff recipe? If that is why you click on this video, oh my goodness, you are the right place. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes and you are welcome. If you're a returning one, thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my 2 cups of milk and I'm using soy milk. You can use any milk of your choice, or you can even use just water. Okay, now I've added a tablespoon of yeast. I will add a tablespoon of sugar, mix it very well, and then place this in a warm place for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will get back to you. The name on all social media platforms is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please do well to follow us. They don't take money if you follow or you subscribe to our YouTube channel. After 7 minutes, our yeast is active. You can see that. Now I've added my all-purpose flour, and that is 3 cups, and then 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add the sugar according to your taste. I will add my nutmeg, that is about a half teaspoon of nutmeg. Now I'm just going to mix it until I get a uniform texture. Okay, but before that I have added a tablespoon of vanilla. You can use any flavor of your choice. You are good to go, and trust me, this will taste good. I've added a pinch of salt, and then we are going to mix this very well. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, can you please do so for me? I'll be very grateful if you do that. And please do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how you also prepare your BOFROT or puff puff. I will be very glad to learn from you. And please do not forget to share this video to others so that we can reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing it. So you can mix it with your hand, or you can just go ahead and mix it like this. I normally mix it with my hand, okay, but today I feel like doing it this way, and that came out very perfect. As you can see, this is not smooth, so we want it very smooth so that we can continue with the process. Are you still with me? If yes, you are amazing, and thank you so much. Now we are done mixing it. We are going to put this in a warm place for at least 40 to an hour. Then I will get back to you. After an hour, this is how the puff puff looks like. It has increased in size, and I will just dip my hand in it, bring some of the air out before we start dropping it in the oil. And this is how we are going to drop it in the oil. You drop it between your thumb and then the next finger to your thumb, okay, in between. And as you can see, it is very simple to do. So as I'm teaching you this, the oil is on fire and now it is hot. So the fire under the oil shouldn't be very high. It shouldn't be low as well. It should be between low and medium, or medium. Okay, now if the fire is low, the puff puff is going to absorb a lot of oil, and if it is high, it is going to burn, but the inside will not fry perfectly. So as you can see, I am dropping it in the oil. After some few minutes, the ones we dropped earlier, they look so beautiful and delicious already. I'll go ahead and flip it to the other side so that it can fry perfectly. do well not to hoard it in the oil. Okay, yes. Now after some few minutes, this is how it looks. So perfect, and I got that beautiful round shape, and oh my goodness, this was very delicious. Just look at that, so delicious. Now our puff puff is ready. We will remove it and then put them on a paper towel or in the colander. Thank you so much for watching, and I will come your way with another amazing recipe. Bye bye.